Yes, guys, it's Jando, back again for the third day in a row of uploading. This one's going to be kind of Tsuki, Toxinate, Master Error style melodic kind of basses again. These ones are a lot more like kind of gritty and raspy compared to the last one that I did. But yeah, we're going to get straight into this. It's this bass is from my next preset pack. I released another preset pack yesterday, which was stimulus style grotty basses. I think there's about 11 presets in there for only a tenner. And we're doing another one today, and this one's going to be a mixture of kind of melodic-y jump up basses as well as some grotty stimulus style basses. So here's a little preview of the pack that I'm releasing today. So yeah, we're going to be looking at this first bass from this one. I'm going to show you how I made this bass exactly. Yes, guys, if you're interested in copying sample packs, preset packs, one-to-one production sessions with myself, mix and mastering services, as well as mix and mastering lessons, and a full drum and bass production masterclass, which is built up of 10 plus videos, very in depth, then drop me a message on Instagram. My Instagram is @JandoUK. I will be launching a website very soon, so this will make it a hell of a lot easier. But yeah, be sure to join the Discord as well. Enjoy the video. So we're going to open up a fresh patch, and to start with, we're going to turn on oscillator A and B. We're going to take the random all the way down on both of them, as well as the level all the way down on the sub. Turn the sub on, drop it -1 octaves. Same process as most of my basses. So for the first oscillator, we're going to go with harmonic series, and then we're going to push this up to wavetable position 6. We're going to turn on FM from B as well. Onto oscillator B, we're going to go over to basic shapes, and this is the wavetable that we're going to be using, like a triangle wavetable. I'm not 100% sure actually. Next, we're going to turn the filter on. We're going to go to flanges, PHS 48 plus. We're going to bring the cutoff all the way down to 10%, 10 hertz. And we're going to grab LFO2 and assign that to the cutoff. Do that at 6. Next, we're going to take the LFO1, assign it to the level at 75, and do the same thing with the sub. And then we're going to make our shape. So to start with, we're going to change the mode from off to trigger. We're going to keep the rate at 1/4. Then we're going to make our shape, which again is going to be very similar to previous videos. Is a small little kind of triangle shape like this. And that's what you should have so far. Next, go over to LFO2. We're going to set the rate to 1/16 and set the mode to trigger. And we're going to keep the shape as is. After that, head over to the effects tab. We're going to turn on hyper, distortion, compressor, and filter. Turn the mix down all the way on here. We're going to set the size here to about 14% and then the mix to about 15%. Change the distortion mode from tube to stomp box. We're going to do a bit of gain staging on the compressor here, so we're going to go for about 8 decibels, 8 dB, plus 8 dB. And then again, we're going to go over to flanges, 48 plus. We're going to turn the cutoff down slightly to 109 hertz. Okay. Then we're going to push the res up to about 80%. 78% there is fine. So this is what the patch should sound like so far. Already sounding pretty good. I mean, this is with my post-processing on. So post-processing off, sorry. That's my post-processing on. So post-processing is same as always. Pull them all up for you here, so if you copy them. We got Decapitator, Camel Crusher, and FabFilter Pro R. And that is pretty much the patch. I mean, there's a bunch of stuff that we can do to it to change up the sound. We can mess around with the wavetable position here. Wavetable position 6, in my opinion, has got the best tone. But all personal preference, really. Can mess around with the octaves here and the semitones. And the FM as well, we can mess around with. So if we, this is off at the moment, but I turned it on because you can turn it up a little bit. Get some grittiness coming through from this oscillator over here. We can mess around with the cutoff as well a little bit. Get some weird sounds coming out of it now. Push the resonator up. Some weird kind of similar style stuff going on there. Push that up to about 70 and leave it there. Yeah, that's how you make like a Tsuki style melodic synth in Serum, sorry. But like I said, this pack here, preset pack is out today. You'll be able to grab it now. It'll be released now by the time you're seeing this video. Yeah, and like I said, got a bunch of Serum presets in here. Some melodic ones, some gritty ones, kind of similar style, and then at the top is like Tsuki kind of jump-uppy style. But yeah, that's the patch. Nice one.